Hello, my dear students of Beacon High School. Today we are going to learn how to make a pop-up greeting card for our loving teachers on the occasion of Teachers' Day. There is a great reason behind celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th of September. In fact, 5th September is the birthday of our former President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted towards education. So let's start the work. The requirement: colorful papers, Fevicol, cutter, colorful markers, scale, scissor, some beads, pencil. Now note down the measurement. Red paper I have taken, you can take any colorful paper, 30 by 26. Then white paper will need 16 by 26 centimeter. Then pink color, 2 squares of 7 by 7. Then red color, 2 squares of 6 by 6 centimeters. Then red strips we will need of 6 by 13, 2 by 13 centimeter, sorry. Then blue color we will need 8 by 4 centimeter and white color 8 by 4 centimeter, and yellow strip we will need of 8 by 21 centimeter. In this way already I have cut it and I have given you the measurement. In the same way you cut it and keep it ready, and then we will start our work. Now take a main paper of a greeting card. Now in the center you are going to fold it. In the center your folding should be very accurate. See the corners and press with your fingers. Open it. Now this right side corner will come to the center line and press it with your fingers. The same way the left side corner will come to the center line and press it with your fingers. Now open it. After opening it, this middle part here you are going to take a white paper which is of 16 by 26 centimeter. You are going to paste it in the center on the folded part. With the help of Fevicol you are going to paste it neatly. Now take the two strips of red color of 2 by 13 centimeter. Now with the help of scale on the top you are going to take a measurement of 2 centimeter and you are going to mark it with the pencil, and you are going to fold that mark part. Neatly you are going to fold it. This is of 2 centimeter. You can see that. Press it with your fingers. This is of 2 centimeter. Then this part it will come till here. Fold it, open it, and again go to the top side and press it. In this way the box will be completed. In this way your box will be done. The same way of the second one, take 2 centimeter measurement on the top, mark it with the pencil, fold it here, open it, bring this downside part up, press it, open it, and bring to the top. In this way our two brackets will be completed like this. Now after that, with the help of Fevicol you are going to paste that one. Now see here I am going to apply the Fevicol After that, we are going to apply it here, little bit down to the white paper corner, exact, press it, and then apply Fevicol here, back side, neatly, and you're going to press this one here. In this direction, open this part and press it here, so that this square will be completed. It should be straight. You have to take care of that one. It should not go cross, otherwise your pop-up greeting card will be little bit. You have to check that one. It should be look like a square. The same procedure we are going to do downside. You can see this one after closing. Press it with your fingers. Open it. It will open like this. Now the same one, you're going to apply Fevicol here. Then see the measurement of this. The same way you're going to keep it here, and to the corner of the white paper you're going to press this part, and the same way you're going to apply Fevicol here. And open this part, so that check that it should come like a square only. You have to take care of that. Open it straight way and just press it. In this way, after pasting, it will look like this. You can close it, you can open it, right? After that, keep this one aside. Now take a pink color, 2 squares. Now you are going to fold it in a triangle, and you are going to give a shape of a heart. Now see here, after folding it in a triangle, to the corner you are going to draw with the pencil. Corner to corner it should come. In this way, you will make a heart shape drawing and cut with scissors. Slowly, while using scissors, be careful. In this way, you will cut it slowly. In the same way, the second square, you are going to fold it in a triangle. You are going to keep this heart here on the top, and you are going to cut it. Our pink color hearts are ready. Now take red color 2 squares and make little smaller heart. The same way, the same procedure you are going to do. With the pencil you are going to draw a heart here, and you are going to cut that. Now this red and pink hearts are ready. Now we are going to press this one in this way. As it is a Teacher's Day, we are going to make one book here on this heart. So we have taken a blue color paper of 8 by 4 centimeter. Just fold it in center and apply the Fevicol in the center only. Here you are going to apply the Fevicol, and in the center you are going to paste that one. We are going to make a book here. Just press it with your fingers. Then take white color paper. The same way you are going to fold it in center, and here in the center we are going to paste that one. Just apply little Fevicol here. Only in the center you are going to put the Fevicol, and you are going to apply it here, so that the page will be open and close. In this way it is completed. Now on this heart we are going to write down Happy Teachers Day. With any color you can write down. Here you can write down Happy Teachers Day. Day. In this way, or you can write, if you want something more you can write down. On the book also you can write down to my loving teachers. To my loving teachers you will write down here, so it will look like exact like a book. To teachers. After completing the writing, you are going to take this one and you are going to paste it here in this way, and the second heart it will come like this. Now in this part you are going to decorate it with the flowers, and in the center you are going to write any poem or any thought for your loving teacher. Now after closing it, it will open like this. I will show you. And on the top you are going to use a yellow paper or any colorful paper, and you are going to paste it here, and you are going to write our school name here, Beacon High School, and downside you can make like a door or the window, and sideway you are going to paste the flowers. The one which I have completed I will show you now. Here our pop-up greeting card is ready. Now you can change the design of the front side. Whatever design you want you can make it. Just I made a simple one, a Beacon High School, and a window I have shown, and the flowers and the beads I have stick here. After opening it will look like this. You can see here on this heart I have written to my loving teachers, Happy Teachers Day. Here you can write a poem or any thought, or you can change the design also. So make a pop-up greeting card and enjoy it. Thank you.